Alright, I'm at the parking lot of Walmart here in South Haven, Michigan. Right now we got, it's not super windy right now, but right now we got a high wind advisory. I guess we're due for a bomb cyclone storm. It's supposed to start overnight and then continue until tomorrow afternoon. So this ought to be interesting. Now I'm just waiting for my stepbrother to get out of the gas station. Man, there's a mud puddle right there. You can't really see it too well. Those two vehicles that are moving just kind of bounced over it. The wind's kind of picking up. It's blowing the rain across the parking lot right now, so yeah.
Take a video of the storm.
Yeah. At least getting some. At least getting somewhat of a video. Crap, I can barely see the planes right now. Well, now I can, but. Yeah, nice turn signal, jackass.